Hi guys, good day.
I'm Ayan Ferdinand Giagmo.
I'm Colin De Bikibal.
I am Joshua Almonares.
I am Jory G. Plaza Jr.
And we are from IT13.
Among topics, among final project about sa library book tracker.
So, mo ni ang pinakauna na mong application which is the overview of the program files. So, nag-contain siya og two main Python files. So, the first is the main.py. Mao ni siya ang the main application that users interact with. So, number 2 is the book module.py. Mao ni siya ang helper module that handles book data storage and retrievals. Display menu. The purpose of display menu is display a simple menu to guide the user. The option view, add, update, delete, or exit.
Next is view books. First, it loads the books using load books. Second, if no books exist, it notifies the user. Otherwise, it prints out each book's details. So the book details are book ID, title, author, and status.
The next one is add book. The first one is load current books. The second one, ask the user for a new book's title and author. The third one, assign the next ID. And the fourth one is add the new book with default status available. And the last one is save the update list back and it will print book added.
And the next is status update. Show all books, then ask for a book ID to update. It found toggles its status. Available, borrow to available. Save the update list. And next is delete book. Loads book and display them. Ask for a book ID to delete. Uses a list comprehension to filter out the book. Save the update list if deletion was successful.
There you go. And the last of the main pie is the main. It keeps the program running in a loop. Next is the calls the appropriate function based on user's input. So lastly is the gracefully handles invalid inputs. Number 2, book module.py. Module for book data. This file simulates reading from and writing to a CSV files using in a memory list. First, book data. Global variables to store books in memory.
Load books. Return the current list of books from memory. The file name is ignored in this version. And the second one is save books. Updates the global book data with a new list of a book. This act like saving to a file but is temporary.
So how it will works? Kung magpili ka sa library book tracker og number 1 view books, makita nimo tanan libro og ilang mga availability. So the next one is the add book. So diri day ka maka-add og another books para mabutang sa CSV files. So example, no limitang here. And the author is Rizal. So makita na dai nimo nga nakabutang kay book added. So sa matanaw nimo sa book.csv mabutang na din ang no limitang here ag Jose Rizal and available. So the next one is the update status. So kung magpili na tag update status guys kay kuan kay makita din ang mga available or borrowed nga mga libro. So i-update na to ang number 1. So available man siya. So na-update naman, so mahimo na to siyang borrowed, tapos mo notify din siya nga status update na ang kadto nga libro. So next is the delete books. So example ana kay if you choose delete books, tapos ko gusto nimo i-delete ang kini nga libro, which is ang No Limit ang Erase. So makita dahil nimo nga ma-delete na to siya, tapos pag tan-aw nimo sa book.csp mo wala na to siya nga libro, then mag-notify dayon siya nga book is deleted na. And lastly is the exit. Kung humana ka tanan toyo sa library book tucker, pwede na ka mo exit. So exit, so mag-notify din siya nga goodbye. So maora to, thank you.